Have you ever wondered how Instagram affiliate marketing works? It's a question that many ponder, and the answer is as exciting as it is lucrative. Affiliate marketing, in essence, is a modern spin on the age-old practice of referral marketing. You recommend a product or service to your audience, and when they make a purchase through your referral link, you earn a commission. In our digital age, this concept takes on a whole new dimension. Imagine the potential when you combine the power of affiliate marketing with the popularity of Instagram, one of the most used social media platforms worldwide. With its visually appealing interface and user-friendly features, Instagram provides an ideal space for affiliate marketing. It's a platform where you can seamlessly integrate product recommendations into your daily posts, stories, and even live videos. Now that you know what Instagram affiliate marketing is, let's dive into how you can get started. Before you start with affiliate marketing, you need a well-established Instagram account. On the bustling streets of Instagram, your account is your storefront. A well-curated, professional, and engaging Instagram account can be the difference between a flourishing affiliate marketing venture and one that falls flat. Setting up your Instagram account is like planting a seed. You need to nurture it, pay attention to its growth, and give it the right conditions to flourish. And just like a seed, your Instagram account needs 3 essential elements: compelling content, strategic hashtags, and active engagement with your community of followers. First, let's talk about compelling content. Instagram is a visual platform and people come here for eye-catching, share-worthy content. So what makes content compelling? It's a blend of quality images, thoughtful captions, and consistency in your posts. Think about your favorite Instagram accounts. What do they all have in common? Most likely they all share high-quality, visually appealing posts that tell a story or share a perspective. Your content should do the same. Next are hashtags. Think of hashtags as the signposts that guide Instagram users to your content. They are essentially keywords that make your content discoverable. However, it's not enough to merely use popular hashtags. You need to use the right hashtags, ones that are relevant to your content and your target audience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different hashtags and see what works best for your content. Finally, let's talk about engagement. Engagement is the lifeblood of any social media platform, and Instagram is no exception. Engage with your followers, respond to their comments, and participate in conversations relevant to your niche. Remember, social media is not a one-way street. It's about building relationships and fostering a sense of community. And that's precisely what you need to do on Instagram. So there you have it, the 3 pillars of a strong Instagram presence: compelling content, strategic use of hashtags, and active engagement. With these in your arsenal, you're well on your way to setting up a thriving Instagram account. With a strong Instagram presence, you're ready to step into the world of affiliate marketing. Choosing the right affiliate program is crucial for your success. Now, let's dive into how you can make that critical choice. First things first, you need to consider the commission rates. This is essentially your cut of the profits for every sale that is made through your referral. You'll want to aim for programs that offer attractive commission rates. But remember, high rates are not the only factor. You also need to consider the likelihood of the product being purchased by your followers. Next, you should consider the relevance of the product. This is where you need to understand your audience. What are their interests? What products or services would they find useful? The more relevant the product is to your audience, the higher the chance they'll make a purchase. It's all about offering value to your followers, and in turn, you'll see value in your bank account. Brand reputation is another important factor. You want to associate yourself with brands that have a good reputation and high-quality products. Associating yourself with a brand that has a poor reputation could harm your own credibility. So, do your research and choose wisely. There are numerous affiliate programs out there that you can join. Some popular and reliable ones include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate. These programs offer a wide range of products to promote, so you're bound to find something that fits your niche. Remember, the affiliate program you choose should align with your goals and the interests of your followers. It's not just about making a quick buck, but about building a sustainable income stream. Choosing an affiliate program might seem daunting at first, but by considering commission rates, product relevance, and brand reputation, you'll be able to make an informed decision. And don't forget, you're not bound to one program forever. If one doesn't work out, you can always try another. Choosing the right affiliate program is the first step towards your success in Instagram affiliate marketing. Now, how do you promote these affiliate products on Instagram? Well, it's all about being creative and strategic. One of the most effective strategies is creating engaging posts. Showcase the affiliate products in a way that highlights their benefits and value. Remember, your posts should not only be about selling. They should provide value to your followers, help them solve a problem, or fulfill a need. It's important to strike a balance between being promotional and being genuinely helpful. Another powerful tool in your promotional arsenal is Instagram Stories and Reels. These features offer a more interactive and engaging way to promote products. You could show the product in action, share reviews, or even create a mini tutorial. The key is to make these stories and reels as engaging and authentic as possible. Remember, authenticity resonates with audiences and can significantly boost your promotional efforts. But what's the point of promoting if your followers can't find where to purchase these products? That's where your Instagram bio comes in. Your bio is prime real estate for affiliate links. You can direct your followers to your bio link where they can purchase the products you're promoting. It's a simple, yet effective way to drive traffic and conversions. Now, let's talk about transparency. It's essential to disclose your affiliate partnerships to your followers. Not only is it a requirement by the Federal Trade Commission, but it also helps maintain trust and transparency with your audience. You can do this by adding a simple disclosure in your posts or stories, such as #ad or #sponsored. Remember, promoting affiliate products on Instagram isn't about spamming your followers with endless product posts. It's about sharing products that you genuinely believe in and think will benefit your audience. So keep your promotions authentic, engaging, and transparent. Promoting your affiliate products effectively is key to driving conversions and earning commissions. So get out there, start promoting, and watch your affiliate income grow. Tracking your success is essential to understand what works and what doesn't. It's like a compass, guiding you through the sea of affiliate marketing. You don't want to be sailing blind, do you? Monitoring your analytics is akin to checking your compass, making sure you're on the right track. These analytics give you valuable insights into your audience's behavior, preferences, and interaction with your posts. It's like having a map of your audience's mind, helping you navigate their interests and preferences. Let's break it down to the nitty-gritty. How do you track clicks, conversions, and revenue from affiliate marketing? First, clicks. These are your initial indicators of interest. Every click on your affiliate link is a potential customer expressing interest in the product you're promoting. Tracking clicks gives you an idea of how engaging your posts are. Next, conversions. These are the clicks that turn into sales. It's the ultimate goal of affiliate marketing. Tracking conversions helps you understand which products resonate with your audience and which ones don't. Lastly, revenue. This is the money you earn from conversions. Tracking revenue gives you a clear picture of your financial success and helps you set realistic goals for future growth. Now, the million-dollar question, how do you track all these? The answer is simple: tools and software. There are plenty of them available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some are comprehensive, providing a wide array of tracking options. Others are specialized, focusing on a specific aspect of tracking. For instance, Google Analytics is a free tool that can track clicks and conversions. It provides detailed reports about your audience's behavior. On the other hand, affiliate tracking software like Volume or Post Affiliate Pro provides real-time tracking of your affiliate marketing activities. Remember, these tools are your allies. They provide valuable data that you can use to make informed decisions. By tracking your success, you can adapt and refine your strategies to maximize your earnings. It's like fine-tuning your compass, ensuring it points you in the right direction. So keep an eye on your analytics and let them guide you to success. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We embarked on a journey through the world of Instagram affiliate marketing, starting with the basics of setting up an Instagram account. We learned how crucial it is to have a well-optimized profile that reflects our brand and how to use engaging content to attract our target audience. Moving on, we discussed the importance of selecting the right affiliate program. We explored how to identify programs that align with our interests and have products our audience will love. Next, we delved into promoting affiliate products on Instagram. We discovered the power of creative posts, compelling stories, and the strategic use of hashtags to reach a wider audience. Lastly, we emphasized the significance of tracking our success. We understood how to use Instagram Insights and other tools to measure our performance and optimize our strategy. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful Instagram affiliate marketer. Remember, consistency and engagement are key. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.